There are 9 foods that you should eat every day to keep your heart healthy and pumping, but let's start with the healthiest first. Extra virgin olive oil. Incorporating even just a tablespoon of olive oil in your dishes, like salads, or swapping your regular cooking oil with olive oil, may actually spare your arteries from being clogged up. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, which increases the HDL, or good cholesterol, in your body. Higher levels of HDL cholesterol help get rid of other forms of cholesterol present in the bloodstream. This lowers the risk of any heart disease to occur. You can take 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil every morning. Flax seeds. Another ingredient you could use to spice up your smoothie bowls or breakfast cereals is flax seeds. They can even be mixed in some baked goods like cookies, bread, or even muffins. Flax seeds contain anti-inflammatory properties and cholesterol-lowering compounds, which can help counter any of the buildup found in the arteries. They may look simple, but they actually contain a lot more. They are also high in fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, such as magnesium and calcium. Legumes, beans, peas, chickpeas, and lentils are just some of the examples of legumes. You may swap your grain-based side dishes, such as rice, with these fiber-rich ingredients. These foods are loaded with soluble fiber, which lowers the LDL or bad cholesterols in the body, thus preventing your arteries from being clogged. Contributors to plaque buildup and blood vessel damage are high levels of blood pressure and chronic inflammation, which can be lessened by consuming legumes, nuts. Nuts are a good way to snack healthily while you're on the go. They lower the bad cholesterol and fat in the bloodstream, thus avoiding the deposit of plaque in the arteries. Another thing is that they improve the lining of your arteries to prevent blood vessel damage, and they also reduce inflammation related to heart diseases. Walnuts, compared to other nuts, have the highest levels of omega-3 fatty acids that help prevent irregular heart rhythms, which can cause heart attacks. Berries come in so many shapes and sizes. To name some, there are blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, which can be added to your desserts or could even just serve as a snack. They are full of polyphenol compounds, or simply just compounds that contain powerful anti-inflammatory effects and antioxidant effects as well. These compounds work wonders when it comes to improving the bad cholesterols and lowering blood pressure. Though they are sweet treats, they have a low glycemic index, which means they don't spike your blood sugar levels. Citrus fruits, back again with polyphenol compounds. Citrus fruits have very powerful antioxidant properties as well. Citrus fruits specifically have properties that can also prevent the bad cholesterol in the bloodstream from turning into an oxidized form. This oxidized form causes more damage and more inflammation to the blood vessels. To avoid blood sugar levels from rising, citrus fruits with low sugar, like lemons and grapefruits, are recommended as long as they do not interfere with any of your medications. Avocado. Avocados can be very versatile. This fruit can be eaten as an appetizer, a main course, or a dessert, because this ingredient does not fail to disappoint whether it's eaten sweet or umami. Rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, avocados increase the good cholesterol in the bloodstream, which you should know by now reduces the bad cholesterol. This is another good option for fruit since it is low in sugar and carbs and high in healthy fat and fiber. Dark chocolate. Who doesn't love chocolates? This one is for the chocolate lovers out there. Dark chocolate and cocoa are rich in polyphenol compounds, which means they are good for decreasing arterial inflammation. This results in the improvement of the physical activities of people suffering from clogged arteries. They are rich in antioxidants, which fight off diseases, and they can also help reduce blood pressure. Just make sure you opt for the ones that are low in sugar. Fatty fish. Sardines, salmon, and mackerel are just some of the omega-3 packed fish options. Omega-3 fats are those which have great anti-inflammatory unsaturated fats that can prevent your blood vessels from inflaming and being clogged up. Omega-3 can also lower platelet aggregation, which lessens the possibility of blood clots from happening. It increases good cholesterol, as well as counteracts the deposit of plaque by the bad cholesterol. These fish also reduce triglycerides, or a type of fat in the blood. Not only do they have so many benefits, but they taste so good as well. If you find this video helpful, share it with your loved ones and give it a like and subscribe for more content like this.